Morwako kende weche mag tuke ne jakom FKF Hussein Mohamed olando ni Jataa tije Patrick Korir ondiko ne oboke mar Jataa kowuok e riwruok mar FKF. Hussein mane loso gi jofwambo kawuono oduoko erokamano ne Korir kuom thuolo mosebedo e apisi kata kaka Jataa tich makojolo kosingo mar medo tiyo kode machiegni. Hussein bende okwedo tim mar jokudh firimbi moko miwacho ni osebedo ka chama soya kaesto girocho duoko mag tuke.
In that same breath, so that you don't hear it from anybody else and you hear it from us, yesterday I accepted the resignation of the current CEO at the Federation. He was in acting capacity. I want to take this opportunity to thank the General Secretary, Patrick Korir, for the job he's done as an acting GS during the electioneering process last year when his mandate actually came to an end in December as acting Secretary General. He has given us a month's notice, and we will still be working with him in the transition period. The state, which is referees, match manipulation and hooliganism. The state of refereeing in Kenya is a key concern for all stakeholders, with several challenges that undermine the integrity of the sport. There's allegations of corruption and bias. Referees face significant challenges such as allegation of bribery, match fixing, and a lack of professionalism. This has severely tainted the image of the sport.
Kwa mbele ni team mar Nairobi City Stars ojiwo rako motelo ne tugo mar league kindgi kod